The daily loss limit is an important rule that helps our traders here at Tradify Crypto to stay disciplined in their trading and manage risk accordingly. And once you understand how all of this works, it's honestly quite easy to stay on the right side of risk. And in this video, we're going to break it all down. The daily loss limit is the maximum drawdown allowed for a single trading day. And at Tradify Crypto, that limit is 3% of your original account size. On a $100,000 account, your daily loss limit is $3,000, which is 3% of the 100,000 account size. Every day at 5 p.m. Eastern, a daily snapshot is taken. So let's say you're on that same 100k account, and at the 5 p.m. snapshot, your balance is 101,500. Your daily loss limit for the next day is calculated from that snapshot. 101,500 minus 3,000 gives you a level of 98,500. So as long as you stay above that level, you're all good. And here's something that's actually a really nice feature here at Tradeify Crypto. The daily loss limit will track your account balance, not equity, which is based on closed trades only. It does not include unrealized profit and loss from open positions. And that's a huge advantage for swing traders and anyone looking to hold positions overnight. Your open trades will not be affected by your daily drawdown calculation until you close them. One of the things that makes this rule really easy to remember is that it works exactly the same across every single program, whether you are on a one-step, a two-step or instant funding, or a live funded account. The daily loss limit is always going to be 3%, and it always resets at 5 p.m. Eastern. Knowing your daily limit in dollar terms is important before you start trading each day. If your limit is 3,000 on a 100k account, give yourself a buffer. Trade like your limit is 2,000. Now that way you got some room for error.
Oh!
That's how the daily loss limit works at Tradeify Crypto. It's straightforward, it's consistent across every program, and once you get the hang of it, you'll see how super easy it is to manage. And we got a lot of more dedicated videos breaking down all of the other rules, so make sure you check those out as well and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. We'll see you in the next one. Good luck out there.